All right, you want to do the big shit?
Yeah.
All right, here. Hold this.
Is this gonna make a loud noise?
Yeah, close your door with all the gas in it.
Wait, how?
Probably.
I can see this being bad.
Real bad. He's an idiot.
He's down this hill.
Get back, dude. Get back. Can you see it?
No, how loud is this gonna be?
Loud?
The box is burning.
It's gonna look good at night.
I'm afraid of this, Joe. Oh my God!
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh my God!
That's crazy.
It wasn't loud though. It was just a low pitched boom.